Hi, my name is Romulo. I'm the CEO of Loyalty Exterior Solutions, and we're based right here in Marlborough, Massachusetts. So Loyalty Exterior Solutions, we're much more than a roofing company. We are a full exterior remodeling expert company. We do everything on the outside. Things such as roofing, siding, gutters, windows, doors, decks, and we just launched our solar division. So anything that has to do with the envelope of the house, that's our specialty. Our three core values are honesty, integrity, and leadership. And our mission is to just create the most value over time to our team members, to our clients, and to the company. And our vision is just to be the very best exterior remodeling expert in the state of Massachusetts. My favorite thing to hear from a client when we're done is, "Bro, you guys truly exceeded our expectation." So we knew that coming in the business, especially with us being immigrants, we didn't have back then a lot of connections. We knew we needed to find some type of partnership where we could get our name out there. And we found out about Better Business Bureau, and we started looking into the major companies, the companies that were having success. They were all listed in Better Business Bureau. And we understood that the higher the rating you have, if you have a good layout inside that website and you have a partnership with Better Business Bureau, you just create a different level of credibility and people trust you, because that's what people want. And I believe Better Business Bureau should be one of the most, if not the most solid platforms to build trust with people.